Question says let the coefficients of third, fourth and fifth terms in the expansion of x plus a upon x square be in the ratio 12:8:3. Then the term independent of x in the expansion is equal to. So we have tr plus 1 to be equal to ncr x raised to n minus r a upon x square whole raised to power r. That is the rth term, any term given for this expansion, which is equal to ncr a raised to r x raised to n minus 3r. Now what the question is asking, term independent of x in the expansion. So therefore we should have n minus 3r to be equal to 0. So it is said that third, fourth and fifth term are in the ratio 12:8:3. Now ratio of third and fourth term, that is equal to nc2 a square x raised to n minus 6 upon nc3 a cube x raised to n minus 9 to be equal to 3/2. So therefore we have the first equation, that is a into n minus 2 to be equal to 2. Let's mark this as equation number 1. We have two unknowns over here, that is a and n. Now using the second ratio, that is coefficient of fourth term is to coefficient of fifth term, that is 8/3, which is equal to nc3 a cube x raised to n minus 9 is to nc4 a raised to 4 x raised to n minus 12. So therefore we have, on solving the second equation, as a into n minus 3 to be equal to 3/2. So by solving first and second we get the value of n as 6. Now for this term, that is r plus 1 term, to be independent, we need independent of x. We need n minus 3r value to be equal to 0. Now n is equal to 6. So from there we get the value of r as n minus 3, which is equal to 6/3, which is 2. So therefore we have the term 2 plus 1, that is equal to third term, which is equal to 6 is 2 into half raised to 2 into x raised to 0, which is equal to 15/4, which is approximately equal to 3.75, which approximately equals down to 4.